Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today for lunch we're gonna make Trader Joe's Fettuccine Alfredo with grilled chicken. It sounds delicious. Let's go make it. Pasta, cheese, and chicken in white sauce. PECORINO Romano. It took about 8 minutes to make this lunch. It looks good, it looks delicious, smells great. Let's try it out. First bite, Trader Joe's Fettuccine Alfredo with chicken. Very tasty. Pasta's good, not overcooked. Piece of chicken. Really, really good. Very good. More chicken. So it's a big bag. It serves two, or if you're really, really hungry, like me, right now, serves one. Great lunch. Beats paying, $15, $20 for lunch at the restaurant. Another winner from Trader Joe's Fettuccine Alfredo with grilled chicken. I recommend it. Buy it, enjoy it. Thank you for tuning in to Parks and Pizza, and I'll see you guys in the next video.